Hey, Principles of Business and Finance, it's Miss Archer. So on your screen, you see our daily agenda for today. So we're focusing on day 2 of 701. So yesterday we talked about the 4 P's of marketing and kind of delved into that some. So today your do now focuses on yesterday's PowerPoint. We have 2 activities for today. One is the 701 name the function activity, and the 701 the functions made this you guys are going to be doing on your own. It's on the same sheet as the name the function. And then also your exit ticket is functions of marketing. As a reminder, all these assignments are not due until May 15th. And at the very bottom, you see your contact information for Mr. Moore with his email and his email and his Remind. And then you see my contact information with my Google Voice and the Remind app. So let's begin. Okay, so I had the answer key up for name the function activity so you guys can see what it is. So what we're doing in this particular activity is focusing on the various functions of marketing that was discussed in 701 PowerPoint. So we have some of the functions such as promotion, pricing, market information, channel management, product service management, selling. So this is what you're focusing on. So number 1 states an article in a newspaper explains that a new business is about to open. So that is, of course, promotion. Number 2 is a business analyzes what competitors are charging for products. So they are thinking about the pricing function of marketing. A consumer answers survey questions after tasting a new food product. So they're trying to get information. So this is the market information management. Number 4 states that a manufacturer determines what businesses will offer its products. So for this one in particular, it's channel management because they're thinking about where their product is going to be sold at. Number 5 is stating that a quick service restaurants add pancakes to its breakfast menu. So this is, of course, they're offering a new product or service. Number 6, the salesperson explains to the customer how to operate a DVD player. So this is part of the selling function because they're giving you some of the features of the DVD player as they're also demonstrating how to use it. Number 7, a department store marks up cookware by 20% over the cost. So this is, of course, another function of pricing. Number 9, a retailer provides customers with products they want. This is selling. This is not necessarily product service management, but this is the selling feature of it. Now, if you put product service management, even after seeing the video, that's fine. I'll let you slide on that one, but it is the selling feature. Number 9, a business decides to use billboards rather than radio commercials. This is all focused on promotion. They are looking at different ways to get their business name out there. Number 10, a company decides to distribute its products directly to the ultimate consumer. So this is, again, channel management. Number 11, an electronic store marks down a stereo system by 20%. This is, again, focusing on the pricing function of marketing. A sporting goods store decides to carry a line of tennis rackets. This is the product service management because they're going to be offering a particular brand of tennis rackets. 13 states businesses research what type of products the competition is offering. So research, anything with data collection, is marketing information management. 14 states a bookstore develops an online catalog and ordering system. This is selling because they're focusing on how to sell a certain product. So they've gone to an online ordering system. And then finally, number 15, a manufacturer selects businesses to ship and promote and sell its products. So this is channel management because they're thinking of how to get their product from point A to point B. Okay, so now that we've gotten that particular piece out the way, the functions made this is the activity you're going to be working on by yourself. So you're going to read the case and answer the questions that follow. So the case scenario focuses on Roy, who has a furniture manufacturer, a furniture company, and this is what's happening at his furniture company. Ray and his furniture company. So this is what he's looking at as far as the scenario that's set up. And it's 6 questions that you have to answer based on the different functions. So you're thinking about the different functions, the market information, the product service, the pricing, the management, promotion, and selling. So each question focuses on the 6 functions of marketing. And it's asking you about each one based off of the scenario you have. So this is what you're looking at for the functions made this. There are right, wrong answers. They don't have to be worded a particular way. But I'm looking for you to have an idea around each one. So I am going to be reading and offering feedback on each one. to make sure that you're grasping the understanding of the activity and of the 6 functions of marketing, excuse me. So for today's activity, make sure that you're doing the do now. You have the name, the function, and the functions made this. It's all on one sheet, so make sure you're submitting that assignment. And then you have the exit ticket with the functions of marketing. So make sure that you're getting these done on time and that you're doing your work daily. As always, just a quick reminder of what activities you should be doing today. If you guys have questions or concerns, definitely make sure that you're reaching out to myself and Mr. Moore so that we can assist you during this time. As always, all these assignments are due on May 15th. Again, contact information is at the bottom for Mr. Moore and myself. My class, we have weekly Zoom sessions on Wednesday from 1:30 until 2:30. For Mr. Moore's class, I would definitely check in and see what time his Zoom sessions are. If he has not scheduled a Zoom session yet, I will definitely start sending you guys the invite for the session with my class so that you can make it. And that you're getting accounting for being online and being in attendance with the meetings. As always, I pray that you guys are doing well during this time. If you guys have been affected by this COVID-19, I pray for a speedy and safe recovery for you or your family members. I keep you guys in prayer. I did not know that when I said have a good weekend on March the 13th, it would be a very long weekend. But you guys definitely take care. Continue to do your work daily, whether it be online or via the packet, depending on what is comfortable for you. And as always, you guys do the very best that you can. Reach out to us if you need us. And I will see you guys in the classroom.